Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss continuous class coordination numbers, complex compounds, coordination compounds. Last video I given, previous video, types of ligands. Ligands are important. Without ligands, we can't give any kind of information in coordination compounds. Ligands are the fundamentals in coordination compounds. Please be careful and practice all ligands, whether it is monodentate or bidentate, or neutral ligand or cation ligand or anionic ligand. Monodentate ligands I given last class, previous video, all ligands with the various examples and with their structures. We have to practice these all structures and a name. Okay, so now today I want to discuss how to calculate the coordination number in complex compounds. Coordination number. So complex compound represented as MLN plus or minus. M means central metal atom, L means ligand, N means coordination number, plus or minus means charge, N means coordination number. I want to define this coordination number in complex compounds. Coordination compounds. Before going to coordination number, so what is cationic complex or anionic complex? Cationic complex means, cationic complex, be careful, cationic complex. This is useful in your IUPAC system in complex compounds. Okay, cationic complex. Very simple. Cationic complex means the charge, means a complex compound having positive charge is known as cationic complex. Means that entity acquires positive charge. Entity acquires positive charge means, I want to give one example. For example, CO, NH3, 6, this is the complex compound, plus 3 is there. This type of complex compounds are known as cationic complex. For example, titanium, H2O, 6 plus 3. This type of complex compounds are known as cationic complex. Sometimes they may give like this: CO, NH3, vacant 4. This is coordination sphere, SO4 out of the sphere, out of the entity, SO4. Now this type of complex compounds, whether neutral complex compounds or positive cationic complex compound or anionic complex compounds, means how to identify this, means just write their dissociation form. In this dissociation form, so which gives like this: CO, NH3, 4 plus 2 plus SO4 minus 2. This complex pair entity which acquires again positive charge. Again positive charge means this type of complex compounds also. Which type of complex compounds? Cationic complex compounds. Cationic, anionic complex compounds. Anionic complex compound. Anionic complex compounds. Anionic complex compounds means, so the complex entity which acquires negative charge is known as anionic complex compounds. For example, PtCl4 minus 2. This complex compound acquires negative charge. No, this type of complex compounds are known as anionic complex compounds. For example, K4 FeCN6. So now whether this is anionic or cationic or neutral complex compound, how to identify this means, just write their dissociation form. 4K plus now which acquires plus FeCN6 minus 4. Now this type of complex compounds are known as anionic complex compounds. Anionic complex compound. K3 FeCN6. This is also which type of complex compounds? So 3K plus plus which acquires FeCN6 This is also -3, which acquires their entity negative charge, no? Negative charge, no? Anions means this type of complex compounds is known as anionic complex compound. Means in given complex compound, whether it is cationic or anionic means, so if it is positive charge is there, cationic, or write their dissociation form. If cationic is not there, cation charge is not there on the complex entity, means just write the dissociation form. If complex entity which acquires a positive charge means cationic complex compounds. So anionic complex compound means which acquires negative charge. Negative charge means anionic. For example, here charge is not there. How to identify whether it is cationic or anionic means just write dissociation form. Which acquires negative charge means complex entity which acquires negative charge means that is anionic complex compound. Complex compounds. Neutral complex compounds. Those complex compounds, central metal atom acquires zero charge. There is no charge. There is no positive charge. There is no negative charge. That type of complex compounds are known as neutral complex compounds. Nickel tetracarbonyl is a neutral complex compounds. Here this is a neutral dentate, monodentate, neutral dentate. This charge is zero. Here also nickel coordination, oxidation state also zero. This type of complex compounds are known as there is no neither positive charge nor negative charge. So neither positive nor negative means that type of complex compounds are known as neutral complex compounds. This is also neutral complex compound. PT NH3 again is Cl4. This type of complex compounds also neutral complex compounds. Why? Because means in this dissociation which acquires like this only NH3 here positive +2 and also platinum PtCl4 -2 +2 -2 net charge is 0. Net charge is 0 means this type of complex compounds are known as neutral complex compounds. This is about cationic complex compounds, anionic complex compounds, neutral coordination number. What is coordination number? Number of ligands around the central metal atom. Number of ligands, either it may be ions or it may be atoms around the central metal atom which forms coordinate covalent bond. So sigma bonds mainly they are only so coordination number. The number of ligands around the central metal atom is known as coordination number. So generally some atoms or ions may form pi bond. Pi bond we want to consider as a coordination number. Just consider only those ligands which form sigma bond only. That number of ligands only is known as. Now this is a central metal atom, this is a ligand, this is a coordination number, this is a positive or negative charge. Coordination number. Number which is equal to denticity into number of ligands. Denticity into number of ligands is known as coordination number. What is coordination number? Definition is number of ligands around the central metal atom is known as coordination number. Only sigma bonds only consider as a coordination number but not pi bonds. If any molecule or ion atom so participating with a pi bond, that pi bonds we should not consider as a coordination number, just a sigma bond only. Coordination number in a complex compound which is equal to denticity into number of ligand. Denticity means whether it is given ligand is bidentate, tetradentate or pentadentate, polydentate or monodentate, we should identify that. Next, number of ligands. How many ligands are there? 1, 2, 3. So just I want to give one by one. Nickel tetracarbonyl coordination number is CN means coordination number. CN means coordination number. Coordination number means CN abbreviation. So how many ligands are there in this complex compound? Denticity means it is neutral density. Okay, neutral density. How many coordination ligands are there? 4 ligands are there. So neutral ligand, so monodentate neutral ligand, its density is 1, that is equal to its coordination number is 4. CO NH3 6 plus 3, for example, its coordination number is NH3 is the monodentate. Its denticity is 1 only. Monodentate means neutral ligand, but monodenticity charge is 0, but denticity is 1. So 6 ligands are there, denticity is 1, and how many ligands are there? 6 ligands are there. Its coordination number is 6. For example, FeCN6 minus 3. Its coordination number is, number of ligands are 6, so its density is 1, so that is equal to density is 1, number of ligands are 6, its coordination number is 6. Next, COEN taken thrice plus 3, for example. Please remember it. In any complex compound, the cobalt oxidation state is always plus 3. Remember it, please. Maximum 99% complex compounds having cobalt, 99.9% complex compounds having cobalt oxidation state always plus 3. In oxidation state, how to calculate the oxidation state? Next video I want to give. COEN. EN is bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand means it is bidentate ligand means 2. How many ligands are there? 3. Denticity is 2. Ligands are 3. Its coordination number is 6. Please be careful. Chromium triene and Cl2. Now this is a complex pair. It is a central metal atom. These are ligands. So coordination number which is equal to denticity. Here triene is there. Triene is, so which is diene is. Ene is bidentate. Diene is tridentate. Triene is tetradentate. Tetradentate means denticity is 4. How many trienes are there? 1 triene is there plus. Cl. Cl is, it is negative monodentate. Negative monodentate means how many denticity? 1. How many ligands are there? 2 ligands are there. Total 6. Its coordination number. Once again, please. Triene is tetradentate. Its density is 4. How many trienes are there? 1 triene is there. 4 into 1 plus. 2 different types of ligands are there in these complex compounds. Cl2 is the monodenticity means 1. How many Cl2s? 1 Cl, 2 Cls are there. 2 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 2 equal to 6. MgEDTA. Now this is the complex compound. For example, now minus 4 is there. For example, EDTA. EDTA, MgEDTA coordination number. EDTA is the hexadentate ligand. Hexadentate ligand. How many EDTAs are there? 1 EDTA is there. Their coordination number is 6. Coordination number is 6. Here just take minus 2. Mg diene taken twice plus 2, for example. Diene means it is tridentate ligand. Tridentate ligand means how many denticities are there? 3 denticities. How many dienes are there? 2 is there. 3 to the 6. Its coordination number is 6. Okay. For example, titanium H2O6 plus 3 is there. How to calculate the H2O is a monodentate. Coordination number is density is 1. 6 ligands are number of ligands, that is equal to 6. This is about calculation of coordination number in complex compounds. In coordination compound, what is coordination number means number of ligands around the central metal atom is known as coordination number. So only sigma bond forming ligands consider as a coordination number, but not pi bond. For example, CO also forming pi bond. CO which forming pi bond. N also which form pi bond. In this we are considering only sigma bond forming electrons only, but not pi bond forming electrons. Okay. coordination number which is equal to density into number of ligands. For example, here number of ligands are 6. Density is 1 into 6. For example, here two different ligands are there. Triene means ligand into one triene is there 1. Again another more ligand. Density is 1 into 2 ligands are there. 6 coordination number. This is about coordination number. But sometimes coordination number which is linked to the oxidation state, how to remember the coordination number? So based on oxidation state means next video I will discuss oxidation state of complex compounds. Please follow this method for the calculation of coordination number and practice. So by using these complex compounds, I given different complex compounds EDT here. So we know very well simple complex compounds coordination number, but we have to know these different types of complex compounds coordination number. Okay, so if you like my video, so like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.